sully your hands. Give me, Grunbeld, the honor of dealing with this interloper.
Very well.
You have my thanks, sir. I have heard quite a lot about you. Though just a mere mortal, you were strong enough to survive the horrors of the eclipse. The witch may be formidable, but what chance does an old woman who's concealed herself in a remote forest have when confronted with these numbers? It hardly seems noble for a warrior to attack such a target. But having said that, I was adamant about assisting in this undertaking. I intended to use this as an opportunity to display my loyalty to the Hawk. And now I've been given the chance to face off against an opponent such as you. I was apprehensive about this mission, but it was worth it to come here.
Griffith's orders? Why care about her?
As one of the Band of the Hawk, I, the warrior Grunbeld, challenge you, the Black Swordsman, to a duel to the death.
What?
Let us begin.
What did he say just now? Band of the Hawk? What a blow. Even though he's still in human form, he's stronger than most of the apostles I fought.
How dare you so carelessly use the name Band of the Hawk!
Shit! That blow cracked a few of my ribs.
That's an impressive sword. Even after taking 2 blows from my hammer, your blade hasn't yet snapped. However, I'm not as impressed with your less than stellar swordsmanship. You're just being thrown about without any resistance.
That's easy for you to say, you bastard. Without any armor, I'm...
Weak. Tell me, are you truly the Black Swordsman they speak of? You're the one who supposedly struck down countless apostles and equaled even the great Zod the Immortal in combat? How be our fated foes a weakling like you? Answer me! Sir Zod is fortunate to have met such a formidable opponent to engage in combat. To a warrior worth his salt, the battlefield is sacred ground. Facing death amidst carnage is a warrior's desire. However, you are unworthy of a warrior's honor being wagered upon you. It is nothing but a waste.
Why's a freaking monster like you acting like he's a real warrior? You're nothing but a cocky fool!
And a pathetic weakling like you is unworthy of a warrior's death by my hammer. This is it. Now die in pieces!
These guys...
Damn golems.
Shirky, is the old lady all right? You're saying to go inside? What's in there? Say no more.
Terrible. It's just like Shirky said. His wounds have reopened.
We have no way to deal with them!
What now? Even with the armor, there's not much he can do. And if we stay, the fire will spread down here.
True. If he dons the armor in this state, his life will be in danger. But...
Where are you?
Oh shit! They found us!
I think it's time we got Guts out of here. Sure, but you can stay. My magic must be good for something in this situation. The responsibility for this falls on my shoulders for endangering everybody.
Are you sure this will do anything? What'll putting him in the armor do if he can't actually fight?
There's no time. We have to trust Shirky on this.
Damn it, this isn't my problem.
Enough trickery. Where have you hidden away, Black Swordsman? How far will you go to completely disgrace yourself?
Help me! It hurts! I hate him! He should be dead!
That armor is...
Incredible! He's more than just super powerful! What's going on? A little while ago, he couldn't even stand up straight! That was so mean! If you had something like that, you should have given it to him for the trolls.
No, the armor that you're seeing is not so simple.
Could that really be him? His movements are completely different than they were earlier. But that's definitely his sword.
That's... How familiar, my fated foe. You would have him tread the same path as you, the same demented, demonic path.
What in the world's going on with this armor? The moment I put it on, all of my pain went away. No, that's not it. It's more like I don't care about pain anymore. More important than pain is this impulse that's rising within me. I feel as though there's something violent boiling up from within.
Let go.
I see.
Let go.
This.
Let go of everything.
This is my...
Let go. Let go of everything. Let go!
Look! The armor's changing!
He knocked me away so easily? What amazing power! I can't believe this strike is coming from the same person as before! I have used my shield to deflect cannonballs! How did he shatter it? A man wearing such heavy armor, with that huge sword! He shouldn't be able to move like this! It's impossible! Damn it all! He had a cannon in his false hand?
I know the guy is always as strong as a monster, but is it just me, or does Guts seem even stronger than usual today?
I had no idea that false hand was a cannon. He sure is terrifying.
This isn't good. It's dangerous for him to keep fighting like that.
What are you talking about? Out with it!
The wounds Guts received fighting the trolls haven't healed. He simply cannot feel the pain anymore.
The pain?
That relic was forged by dwarves. It is known as the Berserker armor.
So that's what you call it.
Berserker armor.
The person who wears that armor and synchronizes themselves with the terrible flow of odd within it becomes unstoppable. The passions within them are so strong, they cease to feel pain or fear. Even though, for the most part, they're unconscious of the act, humans limit their strength to protect themselves. You see, pain is a warning to keep the body from destroying itself. The thing is, without pain, humans become incredibly strong and agile. They surpass the body's limits, endangering their lives.
What's wrong with Guts? Will he die?
I'm not strong enough to overcome that powerful flow of Odd and communicate with him.
Impressive, Black Swordsman. You are truly our enemy. But let's see how you handle my strongest blow. Take this! What the hell?
He won!
But...
Very good. You have won our duel. Congratulations.
The rumors were true. No, you're even stronger than rumored.
However, this is my ultimate undertaking. For my master, as an apostle of the Hawk of Light, I will end you!
A dragon!
With the magnificent power bestowed upon me as an apostle, I will bury the Black Swordsman!
He blocked it! Oh shit!
Impossible! He stopped it? A mere human stopped an apostle's attack? I won't accept it! My corundum skin is harder than steel, yet somehow you actually found a way to crack it. That isn't possible!
Guys? Were his limbs just pointing in the wrong direction?
it's the armor's power. It's currently supporting Guts' broken limbs. It's pierced his flesh and dug into his bones. The last person who wore that armor mistakenly let its steel teeth dig deep into his body. He fought until he died. Every bone in his body was completely broken, and the blood was drained from his body.
Why would you use such a dangerous thing on Guts if he's almost dead already?
But it's a noble sacrifice to save his companions! What should I do? Once again, it's all my fault. Mistress, why? Why that? Tell me, what do I do?
You must handle it. As a witch, you're the only one who can do it.
Here! But I'm so inexperienced, and my heart's in such chaos I can't use magic.
But don't you see, my dear? Only now that you know your inexperience and how easy it is to drown in your power, can you do it. Your job now must be to show the path to the swordsman inside those swirling currents of power.
Hey, what are you gonna do?
I'm going to bring Guts back. Just take care of my body. Keep it safe.
Take care of it? Hey!
I vow to save him.
I can't believe it! You've managed to endure 2 of my attacks while in this form. And you've even inflicted an injury? What are you?
Fire dragon, sir! Please let us join in the battle, too.
We came here to kill the witch, but didn't get a chance to. So now we're bored and don't have anything else to do.
Besides, looks like you're having a hard time to me.
How dare you!
Oh, come on! If it's only a fight as an apostle and not a duel, it's...
Hey, no fair! He was transforming! You bastard! This feeling, I broke 4 of 5 ribs, huh?
His fighting style, it gets less human as this goes on.
Human. No. It's almost as if...
I spy some delicious-looking appetizers.
If there's any trouble, we've got to take Shirky's body and run for it.
Right!
Shirky? These... These are all the currents of hatred within the armor. Will I make it? Any normal person swallowed by this would have their ego torn apart long before now. This is... Could this be Guts' hatred, given form by the armor's art? Is Guts inside? And will I be able to do this? Can I save him from these terrible currents, or will I be dragged under as well? The tiniest mistake, and that's exactly what will happen. No time to hesitate. Bubbles of light. Are these fragments of Guts' memories? They are like torchlights. The darkness is heaving. No! This is terrifying! It's sucking me in! Mistress! That's... my mistress's... I see. This must be Guts' ego. And the talisman my mistress made for him was holding it together. No! Don't let the flow take you!
What? Take me?
Yes. Soon you will cease to be yourself. This place is going to absorb you. Remember, Guts! Remain who you are!
It doesn't matter now. Kill me, ruin. Slash wipe me. Apostle enemy friend. Griffith.
It's so hot. Trust me, it does matter. Remember the reason you travel. The reason you're fighting right now. If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that a human soul doesn't endure pain for no reason.
Travel. Fight. Reason. What is this? Who is that girl? I know her. Stop. Don't touch her.
Remember her. This girl's name is Casca.
Casca.
And your name is... Guts! The branded swordsman, Guts. You're the protector of the branded woman, Casca.
Taste my burning heat and die! What?
Inhuman! Guns!
No, Casca! Just who are you? Guts, this is awful.